Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is Swati. Today I brought you new concept that is a material in the SketchUp. So usually what we do, we have V-Ray material, V-Ray Cosmos. Again, we are having so much external texture and again extension warehouse from that. I already told you how to import the material from those website and features. So today I'm going to explain you very basic concept that is a material that is by default in the SketchUp and how to use that. So it is a very basic but most important concept in the SketchUp. So usually we'll use the V-Ray material, but today I'm going to explain you how to import the material from the SketchUp itself and how to edit. So we are having so much setting and features in the SketchUp itself. So it is an amazing feature and most of people they don't know how to use this material from the SketchUp. So let's start. So here you will get the by default material. So by name itself they have mentioned the type of material which you want, like wooden texture, tile, stone, roofing, pattern, everything they have mentioned with the specification. Next to that, first of all, I'll import any color random I'll choose. So here I'll apply the material. Next to that, again, I'll create another object and here I'll apply the different color. So as you can see, I have randomly applied this color for both the boxes. Next to that, here very first modification and we can tell like which things we can do in the material. So here we have applied the material and now I want to match this material to this box. So which method we have to use? You have to just go for the edit and then here you will get the option for the material. So match color of object in a model. So select this option and just pick the color which you want to match for the particular object. Just select this option and then here we have to choose this option. So once again, and again, if you want to select that particular, here you will get the option for the sample pen. Just take this automatically the object it will sorry color it will get appear. Next that go for edit and select this option. So what we have to do, just select the edit option and then here you will get the option for the match color on the model. So just select that which material first you want to change. That material you have to choose. Suppose I want to match this orange color to this yellow one. So go for the edit option and here you will get the option for the match color of object in the model. Just select the particular objects. As you can see, the color it has placed to this box as well. So this is a concept to match the color for the model. Next to that, here you'll get the option for the match color on the screen. Suppose if you are having any image and that already you have imported. So I'll choose any random. So you can consider this image. So now this color I want to match for this. So what you can do here. So just select the color which you want to change. So I have selected this and then go for edit option. Same thing you have to repeat, just this option you have to select. Match color on the screen. Just pick that color. So as you can see, the color which uh, you can see in this texture, it has got placed for this box. So this is a concept for match color on the screen. Next to that, we are having very basic method that is a color, how to change brightness for the color. Here you can see, here you will get the option for the darkness and brightness. You can make it lighter or darker as you want. As per your requirement, you can change this color brightness. So how much you want, you can manually change from here. Next to that here, next modification is you can from this color circle, you can change the particular texture color or color. So here you will get the, if you will come to the center, you will get the lighter color. If you will go for the circumference of the circle, you will get the darker shade. So this is a very easy concept. Next to that, here you'll get the option use texture image. So now for this particular color only, you can add the image. So next to that, here you have to select this. Then it will ask you to choose the textured image. So you can import any image from the Google or you can download. So I'll take this image only, open I'll do. So what you can see here, the image it has placed to that particular color only. Now I will change the color for that particular texture. So as you can see here, you will get the same color, only texture we can change by using this option. Just you have to select the use texture image. Next to that, here in edit you will get the option for the scaling. This is a very important concept. Now as you can see here, we have multiple types of texture, so you can change the scale and you can make it bigger. Now you can see here, and here you can change the brightness for that particular texture. After that, again we are having option for the, we can download image from the Google or any website, and that we can import easily for our model. So here you will get the option for the browse for the material image. Just select that option and then you can choose. Suppose I'll select this. Directly that image it will get placed for that particular area or surface which you want to modify. So here whatever scale we have given before that it will appear. So you can change it later. So I made it 5 feet. So these are the very important steps we have to follow while applying the material in SketchUp. Next to that, here you will get the option for the uh, edit texture image in the external editor. Now here also you can change the scale and you can do the modification, but you will if you want to do further modification you can go for the external texture. So that concept I'll explain you later. So next very last but not least, this is the opacity. So if you want to make it glass or transparent material, you can change the opacity of that material. As you can see, once if I have changed this, easily we can see whatever inside part of the room. This also you can use, means if you want to apply for the glass and if you want to give the texture as well. So this is a very important concept in that case. You can apply the texture also and you can make it transparent also. If you want transparency as well as the texture, you can use the opacity concept. So whenever you don't require that, in that time you have to make sure that opacity it should be 0. So now you can see in that opacity it is 100% for the color. If you will make it 0, it will come to the transparency. Next to that, here I have told you this textured concept. Once if you will apply the texture, then only this option will come. Why? Because this is a texture editor for the external. So if I will apply the texture, so once again I'll apply same texture. Now you can see here you will get the option for the edit texture image in the external. So here automatically it will go for the whatever editor you are having to the your system. It will go for that. You can change particular image, whatever adjustment you want. You can do it accordingly. Exposure, brightness, contrast, means here you will get multiple option to edit that particular texture or image. Then what you have to do, just we have to save that particular image. After saving that image, you can go for the SketchUp and again we have to re-import or we have to choose that particular image. So accordingly you can choose. So I hope you understand this is a basic but very important concept in the SketchUp, how to apply material, how to edit, how to change the color brightness, how to change the color as well, how to apply the texture, again how to match the color on the screen or model, how to change the scale. These all points I have covered in this video. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for the watching.